We will be making cacik with purslane today. Purslane grows almost anywhere without much effort. It's quite nutritious and tasty too. I am pouring half a kilogram of yogurt into a mixing bowl. I am adding 3 grated garlic cloves and half a teaspoon of salt to it. I am mixing it thoroughly and adding 50 milliliters of water to it. After stirring it a couple of times, I am adding another 50 milliliters of water and the chopped purslane to it. After making sure all the ingredients mix evenly, I add some more water to make it as liquid as needed. The amount is entirely up to you. I used 200 milliliters of water in total. This dip should be less liquid than classic cacik, but if you'd like, you can make it more watery. As the final step, I am drizzling some olive oil on it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like and share our videos.